Assalamu alaikum guys, hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a good day. Basically I just want to share with you my upstairs entrance hall, well upstairs hallway I suppose. Obviously this is all empty at the moment. These are my stairs. As soon as you come from outside, obviously the stairs go straight upstairs as you can see, but these walls are a bit plain at the moment, but I've got ideas. I want to do a dodo rail and some textured wallpaper on that. And this side I just want to paint this black, just the top bit black, and then I've got a few other ideas, but I'll show you the bottom hallway some other time as well. But as I'm just going to show you the upstairs for now, just the hallway upstairs. So I'm just going to go upstairs now. As you can see, obviously, yeah, straight upstairs I've got this large mirror. It just makes the room look larger than it actually is, the space, because there's not the hallway is not that big at all, but it just makes it look as it goes really far back when it actually doesn't. But it just gives you that effect. So many people come to my house and they're standing downstairs the stairs, they go, oh, that is huge, that goes way back. I said, no, that's a mirror, and that's the effect. That's the whole point of having a big mirror there. That's the effect I wanted to go for, and it's actually worked, to be honest. But that's good for me anyway. But yeah, so I've got this olive tree. It's an artificial olive tree, but it's one of the best looking ones ever. I got online a couple of years ago when I moved in, obviously, but you can't get it online anymore. I think the company's got burst, but I think there's so many that you can get now that look real, but they are a bit pricey. This stand is from Matalan, I got at that time, and I just put some greenery in there that you can get from Amazon, basically, just like little pieces of green. I think it's called floss or something. And no, actually, sorry, not a teeth floss, sorry, it's called moss. Ignore me, because sometimes stuff comes out my mouth and I don't understand it myself. I'm sorry guys. But yeah, the olive tree, it just looks so real, but it is a bit pricey. But if you want to make an investment, I think it's a good idea, to be honest. At least it looks real, not artificial at all. I've got a wall decor, La ilaha Muhammad Rasulullah. It's like the Shahada. Obviously in Islam, in our religion, La ilaha Muhammad Rasulullah, basically if you say that, you're a Muslim. But obviously we were born Muslims, but people that want to become a Muslim, they have to say that. But yes, it looks beautiful. It's La ilaha Muhammad Rasulullah on there. I've got them around the house, a couple of places, to be honest. And then I've got this light that I got from this lights.co.uk company, but I don't know if they do that anymore, but this was a long time ago as well. This mirror is from Range. It is a massive extra large mirror. I actually put it onto the wall. I didn't want to put it on the floor. It's just easier to clean, and it's quite heavy, so I would have to move it around, and that's a bit frustrating. I don't have that much energy to do that. So just to make cleaning a bit easier for myself, I've just got it done on the wall. I don't know how it actually fixed on the wall, but my handyman, he tried his best, and he's done a good job, to be honest. So if you just turn around, that's just one of my bedroom doors, which I won't show you the bedroom just yet, but the video is coming up soon once I complete the room. House is never complete, but you know what I mean. If it's a bit more what's that word, a bit more to my style. Actually, my words have come out. Okay, I've got a fan in here. It's like a tripod style. It's from Denal Mills, but it's like a tripod style, but it's nice for styling. Obviously it helps in the summer as well, but it's nice to style it up as well. That corner was empty. I could have put anything there, but I thought, rather than putting a fan in your room, and it's hard to store it away because the way it is, and the way it is quite large as well, so I thought to myself, I'll just make it into a styling piece, which I've done, and I've done that around the house quite a bit. And that's the bathroom room, which you can say bathroom, but I won't show you that just yet. Then I've got this little mirror on here. It's actually a candle holder. You can put a big candle here, but obviously I haven't got one right now. But I had two, but I think I smashed one, or did I give it to a friend? I can't remember now, but I think that's from online as well. I've got a little basket here. It's on the stand as well, but it's basically, you can use it as a bin as well, but we don't use it as a bin, but you can use it as a bin. But I just got some toiletries, some tissue papers and, you know, what miscellaneous stuff in there. That's another bedroom door, which I'll show you the bedroom one day. Then I've got this picture on here on the opposite side of the mirror, and it's like a Paris balcony picture, and I love the picture. I think it's so pleasing to look at every time you come up and upstairs and downstairs. It looks really good. And in the mirror as well, because if you look in the mirror, you can see in the mirror as well, and I think it looks really good. So yeah, so this is my hallway upstairs. Tell me guys what you think of it, and ignore my mumbling because I'm still getting used to this recording a video, and sometimes I forget what I'm saying, but I hope you can understand what I'm saying, because if you don't, please just comment below. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe if you want to, if it's your thing, and just like my video if you want. It's totally up to you, no pressure. But thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon again, hopefully. And see what I mean, my words don't come out sometimes because I think I talk so fast. Hopefully you have a lovely weekend, whatever's left of it, and I'll see you soon guys on this platform again. Thank you. Shukriya. Khuda Hafiz.